guys, welcome again. Today I want to share with you some tips about the petal sleeve I did before this video. You can see the link at this corner at the end of this video if you don't saw that video, and I will show you how to do the alteration in a basic sleeve in order to reach this style. This is my sample. It's a fabric similar to calico. I need this sample to custom my item in full size, and let's see how I did my alterations and the measurements to do these petal sleeves. First and foremost, you will need your sleeve slopper to do the alterations you want for any kind of sleeve. We always work first with a slopper, with a basic. And let me tell you the measurements I had to my sleeve. Here where we have these lines I opened all the lines from the top of my sleeve here till my elbow. Let me tell you the measurement I have. I have 14 inches here, and the circumference of my elbow is 12 inches. Okay, you need the size, your circumference of the size of your elbow, and you need to add 2 centimeters more. Okay, and here from the center to my next lines I marked here, let me tell you, 1.5 centimeters for the first line I did. Then I had more 1.5 centimeters, and the remaining centimeters here I have it's 3.5 inches. The same for the front and for the back of the sleeves. Let me show you. Let's see the detail, like so. And now here what you will do, this is one part of the sleeve, and this is the other one. Let me show you. This one is this one with a curve. Here, this piece you need to cut, fold it. You will have one piece, and this piece exactly right here is this one. What you will do, you need to cut all this piece, and you will slash and spread every single piece to give the volume you want to do for the sleeve petals. Okay, let me tell you, I did like so. The volume I had, the distance I have from each of these pieces is 12 centimeters. This means when I fold each one, I will have the half measurement. I will have 6 centimeters only. Okay, means once you sew every single petal, your sleeve will return to the initial size. This one, you will have the initial size. I did a previous video where you can see I give you a tip exactly here on how to sew this piece with this one. I know for some people who are a beginner in sewing, maybe it's difficult to join this curve with this triangle we have here. In my previous video you can see how to do it. Okay, and now here let me tell you exactly here from my bicep line below I gave 1.5 inches. Here you can decide the size you want to do for your curve towards the center of your sleeve. And here I have, from this point below, I have 2.5 inches. You may decide how you want your curve to look like. On the sleeve I will work for a customer, I will use the full size of my sleeve with this style, with the petal style. You want to work with the full size of your sleeve, exactly here at on your hem, you need to pay attention to this. The line of your sleeve, this line, don't go exactly straight, as you can see here. Don't go straight, it's a bit diagonal. This needs to be like this, because when you fold your hem, like so, as you can see here, my diagonal line just match, I don't know if you can see, are matching with the line I have here. You can see a little bit is matching with this one. It's not this line, okay? Your hem need to be a bit diagonal, about a 1/4 inch, okay? To give a good shape on your sleeve. And just to recap, here I told you 1.5 centimeters. Is not 1.5 centimeters. Sorry, it's 1.5 inches on each one. Okay. Of course, you will need to add notches on all the corners. You will match to do your petals, and also you need to add these notches that refers to front, and that's refer to the back of your sleeve. And I guess it's all for today. I hope you had enjoyed to learn this transformation on this sleeve. I hope to share with you more sleeve styles or another styles designs. And we'll meet you. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and have fun. See you soon. Thank you.